this is the material you need to make the UFO Slime Valentine. See in the comments below for the full list. Take a color of your choice, 4x-inch craft foam sheet, and fold it in half. Now cut the line on the crease. Take a can and make an indent on one of the foam sheets. Now cut a circle around the indent and keep the scrap foam for later. Now use the lid for the acorn capsule to make an indent in the middle of the circle that you just cut out. Have a parent cut out the circle with a craft knife. Next, take the scrap foam and use a heart-shaped hole punch to make small hearts. Take the foam ring that you just cut out and cover one side with glue. Now cover it up with glitter. Use a wooden skewer to help glue the small hearts on the foam ring. After it dries, put the ring on the acorn container with the galaxy slime and try to take it away from your dad playing with it.
We did a UFO galaxy slime and it turned out so cute. And we're gonna put this card on it, so my dad's gonna tape it, and and it says, "Valentine's, you're out of this world," from your friend Maizy. So, comments down below, click subscribe and comment, and I hope you like this video. Bye.